Wake up, my little boy. It's morning.
Oh, what time is it, Daddy?
It's 8:30 already. You have a swimming class today at 8 o'clock, remember?
It's too cold. Do I still need to go to the class, Dad?
Of course, yes. Don't be lazy. Suzette had no shortcuts.
I'm not lazy. I'm in energy-saving mode.
Haha, you're funny. Come on, get out of your bed and get ready for the class.
Okay, let me make my bed first.
Alright? Don't forget to brush your teeth, wash your face, and get dressed before breakfast. I'll wait for you in the kitchen.
Yes, Daddy, I heard you.
Morning, darling. How was your sleep?
Hi, babe. I couldn't sleep very well last night.
Why? What made you stay awake all night?
You're snoring, obviously.
Funny. I didn't snore.
How do you know you were sleeping?
I'm just kidding, babe. I thought you had gotten used to my snoring sound already.
Not really. It's just getting worse and worse. I think you should see a doctor sometime. I read on the newspaper that snoring may indicate a serious health condition.
Are you choking right now?
No, I'm serious.
Oh, come on. It's not a big deal. I'm sorry, okay?
Alright. I'm sorry that I was mad at you. Maybe because I'm not feeling good now.
You know what? Why don't you get a massage and take a short nap this afternoon? I'll pick up our son after his swimming class and we have lunch at any nearby restaurant.
Really? That would be awesome.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Daddy. I heard somebody was talking something about eating out today. Am I right?
Hi, sweetheart. You're such a cutie mouse in the house. Sneaking is not good, okay?
Mom, I was not sneaking. I just accidentally heard about that on the way down.
Okay, boys, sit down. Your breakfast is ready.
What do we have for breakfast, Mommy?
Cinnamon toast and cheese.
Huh? Cinnamon toast again? I'm sick of it. I've been eating the same breakfast for 3 days.
Be nice, boy. Mommy has been exhausted recently. She's trying her best to repair things for us. Be grateful for that.
Mommy is sick? Really, Mom? I'm sorry, I did not know about that.
It's okay, don't worry. Daddy will take you out for lunch today. You can pick whatever you want at the food court.
Whatever I want? Fantastic! I will ask for a large size hamburger and a big bowl of tuna soup. Oh, and French fry too! Delicious! Ha 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 ha!
How about you? What will you have for lunch? Do you want me to buy something for you?
No, I'm good. I just need to rest, and if I'm hungry, I'll call you later.
Okay, I hope you feel better after the nap.
I'm done, Daddy. Can we go now?
Sure, wait for me at the door. Put on your shoe and your scarf. It is cold outside. I'll be there in a minute.
Yes, Daddy.
The swimming class is cancelled today because of the bad weather. Your coach just texted me. He moved the class to tomorrow morning. Poor you, son.
Yes, I knew it. See, Daddy, I told you. Can I watch the TV now?
No, you can't. It's not TV time yet. Remember the rule? You have only 1 hour to watch TV every day. And it had to be the night time, not now.
Oh, that's so boring. What am I supposed to do now? The class is canceled and I have nothing to do.
How about your school project? Have you finished it?
Oh, it's the weekend, babe. Take it easy on him. I'll let him complete it tonight.
How about visiting Grandpa? We can go together.
Yeah, you're right. It's been a long time since the last time I saw Grandpa. I miss him.
Okay, I can take a nap at his house and you guys can go fishing.
Great idea. I'll take the fishing pole.
And I will bring my school project to Grandpa. I think he can help me with that.
Should I bring some food? Oh no, there's nothing much left in the fridge.
Yeah, you didn't go shopping for 2 weeks, Mom.
We can stop at the store on the way. You can buy him some fresh fruits. He loves raspberries.
Just raspberries?
And a bottle of wine too. We will grill the fish and enjoy it with some white wine.
Raspberries, white wine. Do you want anything, son?
No, I'm good, Mom. Hey, do you see my pencil somewhere?
Did you check the backpack? Or in your pockets?
Oh, they're under my bed. Why?
When will you learn how to keep your things in the right place?
I don't know, Dad. It's just there. It isn't my fault.
Okay, let's get in the car, everyone.
Yay! Grandpa, we on our way!
Don't run. I'll lock the door and be right there.